Hey everyone, Shalame here, bringing you daily weather updates, whether it's sunny, rainy, or in between. So stay with me until the end to catch a full weather recap from January to March 2025. So let's begin! We began our journey on January 21, greeted by a brilliant cloudless sky and a warm, gentle morning sunlight. From January 22 to 25, we experienced the same beautiful weather with clear skies and bright sunlight. However, by January 26, the clear skies were replaced by a cloudy sky, bringing a cooler and calmer atmosphere. By January 27 and 28, the weather varied between sunny and cloudy. Meanwhile, 29 and 30 were bright and sunny. The weather on January 31 looks great. The sky is clear and the condition seems pleasant. From February 1 to 4, the weather featured a blend of sunshine and clouds, offering a balance of warmth and shade. Sige lang, kahit nabilisan nyo lang, okay lang. February 5, 2025. Okay, so na ako mag-English. So, ito, February 25, 2025 is my personal favorite eh. Kasi look at that alto cumulus clouds yan, diba? Ang ganda-ganda nilang tignan sa taas. Tapos, look, para silang mga rocks. Ang cute. Cute. February 6, 8, and 9 is sunny day, while February 7 is sunny siya pero medyo cloudy lang. February 10 is makulimlim ang panahon and nakaranas din ng konting drizzle. On February 11 is still makulimlim ang ating panahon and nakaranas din ng onting pag-ulan, while 12, 13, and 14 is nakabalik na ang ating haring araw. Today is February 15, 2025 and ayan, makikita natin na medyo tumila na yung ulan, which is kanina is malakas pa siya. Tara! Ayan, kung mapapansin natin is basang-basa nga po yung kalsada natin kasi nga po is kanina sobrang lakas nga po ng ulan at ngayon ay medyo tumila na din po yung ulan natin. So yan, February 16 patuloy pa rin ang pag-ulan and yan, ASMR ng ulan. February 17 is still makulimlim ang ating panahon. Muling nagbalik at sumikat ang ating araw noong February 18 at nagpatuloy ito hanggang February 21. Ngunit noong February 22 ay muling nagbalik ang ating makulimlim na panahon. Hinihilo talaga tayo ng weather natin kasi pagdating ng 23, 24, 25, and 26 ay maaraw na naman ang ating kalangitan. Mainit pa rin ang panahon pagdating ng February 27, 28, March 1, and March 2. Pareho lang din sa March 3, which is sunny day. Ayan, tumalon na tayo sa March 4, 5, 6, and 7. Kung saan, ganun pa rin, super init pa rin. Actually, ngayong March is sobrang init talaga to the point na naging half day yung klase namin. Okay, di na ako mag-voice over dito kasi nga, lahat ng March is sunny. Yes. And finally, ito na, dumating na tayo sa March 16 which is the last day ng ating pag-video para sa ating weather vlog. Ayun, mainit pa rin syempre. Lagi din tayo magdala ng payong pananggas sa init. And also, stay hydrated po. Bye-bye!